guys, I'm just going to be installing our new nesting box that we got from the country store, or the local kind of like
country feed store.
Country feed store. There we go. Yeah, so I'm going to install this, and just because we've got a broody hen in there, and actually we have 2 broody hens, and she has 8 chicks. So, and then this is the only nesting box that's available. So we are going to install an extra one.
So what are you doing?
Oh, did I bring the net screws in here? I thought I did. I thought I put them right there. All right, I'm just marking where I want to put my screws. Should put a couple washers in there. And it's probably going to go straight through, but it's all good.
We're going to be putting cedar planks on the outside anyway, so it'll cover up those planks that are sticking out.
Yeah, not too much. I can saw them off.
That way we don't cut ourselves, and when the chickens decide to fly up that high, they don't cut themselves too.
Yeah.
You can hear the peeping of the little chicks that we put in the other night.
So there is a baby chick inside of the little plastic container that the food was in, and he's like, I need to get out. I'm trapped. It's the cutest freaking thing. Sorry, honey. He was trapped in here. Oh, you guys are so freaking cute. All right, I'm gonna move this. And those crates we have got.
So we added this heat lamp in. Once we get the doors on, it is getting kind of cooler in our part of Washington now. At night, the days are still kind of warm. Fall is upon us, so the night's getting between 50 and 60. So we do have an extension cord available, so we can turn the heat lamp on once the chicks start coming out of the nesting box, away from the broody hen. They can stay warm out here too.
Oh no, that's not Sheila.
That's one of your white.
That is one of the Bielefelders.
Oh, Bielefelders, okay.
I don't know if I'm gonna fit in here. This is a little bit difficult.
You got it?
No. It fell, but I just, what I did is I just created it like a little hole. I might need an extender, but we'll see. This is more difficult in this section. I know, I hear you guys. Got it.
So we got this from our local country feed store here in Stanwood. pretty simple. We figured we would get one of these instead of building our own. We have enough wood, but we have so many projects going on.
$28, so I was like, I'll get it.
Make it so much easier. Than we have the extra nesting box in here for when we move in 24 more chickens into this area. They ought to use the nesting boxes. We have some eggs just out of camera view that we collected from today already.
Wait, 24?
There's 24 in there, yes.
Oh, in the red coop, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is Michael and Roxanne with Darling Coop Farmstead. You like our videos? Please click
playing
like.
right over there. She hears us. She's like, I want some eggs. I want eggs now.
Please click like and subscribe to our channel. It's a free way to help support us as we begin this new adventure after my Navy retirement life. So we greatly appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
Wait, our meal is for you.